Sunrise comes through the patio door. No stairs, no hassle, one floor living. Easy mornings, coffee in hand. Life feels great in my new home. It's a move-in ready gym on a quiet street where a single floor living feels complete. 2 beds, 2 baths, a kitchen that glows. Quartz and comfort where simplicity flows at 416 Summerlyn peace runs deep. In a Fischer Homes community where you can be safe. Tucked in Lebanon, close to town. Shops and cafes just walking down. Friends and family near, and shake a run golf. Parks and trails for outdoor fun. Historic charm just minutes away. Armco Park and Caesar Creek to play. Safe and calm, a real hometown where neighbors smile and roots grow down. Countryside wide, the schools are strong. This is where you know you belong. It's a move-in ready life that's built for you. 1 level private and brand new too. First time resale with a tree-lined view. A patio made for sunsets too. At 416 Summerlyn, come and see how safe and close a good